Morning, Carl. Thank you, and thank you, Lisa, for being with us here this morning at CES. You had the opening keynote at CES last night. You talked about Yada-scale computing. Sometimes it sounds like folks in the technology industry are just making up words, but this is real. What is Yada-scale?
So, John, great to be here. Always great to be at CES, and there's so much excitement this year. Look, what we're seeing is, the show is all about AI, and it is, our theme is AI everywhere for everyone. And so when we look at, just the demand environment that we've seen just over the last couple of years, just today, we have like 100 zettaflops of compute, which sounds like a lot. It's 100 times increase over the last, 4 or 5 years that we're projecting forward, and we're seeing a demand environment where you're going to have, you're going to go from 1 billion active users in AI today to over 5 billion active users over the next 5 years, and so you need a lot more compute. So a yottaflop is actually 10 to the 24th. If you think about it, 1 in 24 zeros. That's how much more compute we're going to need to put on. And it is really just an amazing time when you think about how much AI can really add in terms of use cases over the next 4 or 5 years.
How confident can investors be in this demand calculation when so much of what's going into this isn't yet profitable? Like, people are taking losses on the expectation of the productivity that this is going to deliver. And, valuations are kind of high right now. I think there's some concern that at some point, if there's a bump in the road, a couple of wheels come off the truck.
John, I wouldn't say that that this is about, where is the return on investment. I think this is about looking at the long-term potential, where you really see that, computing unlocks intelligence. And it makes businesses much more productive. It makes people much more capable. It helps us do so many different things. So we're actually seeing a number of real-world use cases that are absolutely returning on investment. We had, for example, a lot of conversation. Greg Brockman was on with us last night talking about the key productivity use cases that they're seeing with OpenAI. We had a number of leading startups that were talking about their new models that are revolutionizing how we think about entertainment and video production and those kinds of things. We even we had a healthcare panel talking about real-world use cases for drug discovery, for genome tracking. All of these things are cases where we're seeing the direct benefits of AI in terms of science and enterprise and business. So I'm absolutely confident that that demand environment is going to continue and actually accelerate as we see these use cases go much broader in scale.
A robot, a humanoid robot, is becoming a requirement, it seems, in AI-related presentations in 2025 and 2026. What is the potential of physical AI and particularly humanoid robots? Where do you place it in AMD's priorities and how you want to tune your technology and capabilities to serve markets you expect to really evolve?
Our view of AI is actually extremely broad, John. So, of course, there's a lot of excitement about the cloud. And, we gave a preview of our MI455 and Helios system. So I brought one just to show you. Here we go. Yeah. Yes, this is our newest MI455 GPU. It is 320 billion transistors using the latest 2 nanometer and 3 nanometer technology. And this is the thing that everyone's talking about in terms of driving the large cloud deployments and where we're talking about, building, data centers everywhere. But the key about AI is you're going to see it in all kinds of form factors. So we're excited about AI PCs. We announced a couple of new PC products yesterday. We're also excited about AI at the edge. And when you talk about physical AI, I think physical AI is kind of the next, big thing. We expect, robotics to be a big aspect of that. We also expect just all kinds of industrial applications where you're going to see edge AI, come into play, and it's just the natural extension. So it is all of it is our view of where AI is needing more and more compute, and that's what is part of our strategy, is to enable all of that.